Hello students, one of the tedious tasks in your IELTS test can be your speaking exam. There could be multiple reasons to it. One of them is that students do not know exactly what has to be done and what has to be avoided. Here are 10 do's and do nots which you need to follow whenever you appear in your speaking test. First, speak clearly, speak confidently. Whatever information you want to give, whatever idea you want to put forward, that should be conveyed very much confidently and it should be presented clearly. Second, engage with the examiner. You have to make continuous eye contact with the examiner. Respond coherently to the questions. You have to understand, you have to feel the speech, you have to feel the idea, whatever you wish to convey, so that it becomes an engaging conversation. Use variety of grammar and vocabulary. You should be using various sentence structures to showcase that you know grammar. It could be using complex structures. It could be using compound structures. It could be even using complex compound structures. However, you could use many vocabulary items by using uncommon words and using idioms or adding some phrasal verbs to your speech. Fourth, provide detailed response. In IELTS, you are not supposed to answer in one word, two words, or even one or two lines. Whatever you convey, that should be very much detailed, that should be very much descriptive. Fifth, practice speaking test. You should practice as many speaking tests as you can. With this, you will become familiar with the types of questions you might come across in the exam. This will not only make you confident, but your speech will also have a lot of relevant ideas. On the contrary, you should avoid some things whenever you appear in your IELTS test. First of them, do not memorize your responses. The person who is going to listen to you, who is going to evaluate you, is highly experienced, is highly trained. Second, do not speak too quickly. Make sure that whatever you wish to convey, whatever you want to tell, that should be conveyed in a calm manner. That should be conveyed in a slow speech, because it gives hint to the listener that you are connected to the speech, that you're not making up the speech. Third, do not provide yes or no answers. You are not supposed to provide yes, no, or even one-word answers. If you provide one-word answers, this is going to deduct your scores in the IELTS test. You are supposed to use variety of answers. You are supposed to give variety of language. Fourth, do not panic or stress. It is a human conversation. You should take it as a human conversation. You should not be panicked. You should not be stressed about the things which you are going to encounter in the exam. Take it as a normal interview. Take it as a normal talk with a person who knows maybe better English than you. Fifth, do not interrupt the examiner. You should listen to the examiner very much carefully. You should answer only when he or she is done with the question.